Well, hello my friends, and welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to be testing this acrylic dual tip marker set. This is a metallic set, and I saw this on social media. Dual tip, brush tip, fine tip, 24 colors. And as always, when I see something on social media, I ordered a few things. Some showed up, some didn't. I looked for it online somewhere else, particularly Amazon. Amazon had them. And that's where I got them from. And let's see what I paid for them. There we go. Purchase one time. April 16th. I've been sitting on these for a while. $22.99. Let's see if they're still that price. All the time. These prices have changed. Oh, no. Same price. And I guess there's bigger sets. I chose the metallic set. There's also mixed color, multicolor, pastels, silvers, skin tone, all kinds. But we're going to look at this metallic set. And dual tip, so one tip is like the brush, one's just your standard felt tip marker. And what we're going to do is we're going to see how each color looks. And I'm going to spread about 5 of them across this piece of black plastic. And we'll see how it looks. We'll do about 5 on camera. Off camera, I'll do all of them, and then we'll look at the results. Then we'll see how it sprays, how it goes over this sprayed primer, which I did in the previous video, testing that portable air compressor. Look how nice that came out. It came out pretty good. And then we'll try it on a couple of Gumpler pieces. But the main thing is I spread some already on a piece of black plastic, I think a black spoon. And then I let it dry for about a week. And I'm going to see how it can handle clear coat. So we'll go with a lacquer clear coat. This one's from Mr. Hobby. So we'll see how it can handle that. All right, I'm not going to name off each color. I don't even know if there is a name for each color. We're just going to go ahead because you can't really pick your color if you're buying the set. You're going to get all of these anyway. All right, I put this white one here because this is going to mark off the ones we're going to try. Then across the board, I'll test the rest off camera. So let's just pull these out and leave the rest in for further testing once we pause the camera. Let me get this box out of the way. And let's see what we got here. All right, so let's get a nice clean piece here. I ran out of plastic gloves. Leave fingerprints on these things, so I apologize now for that. Let's lower the camera a little bit here, and let's see what we have. All right, let's look at each tip. All right, there's your standard tip right there. And there's the brush tip. There's nothing to shake. These are standard felt tips, so these will draw on their own. So here we go. Let's try some overlapping, see how that works. Wow, this comes out heavy. Let's try one on its own. All right. Wow. Let's try the other tip. All right, there we go. There's one color. Let's see if it says the color on here. Small parts. One side is a 0.1, the other side's a 5, I'm guessing. Oh, no, there it is. 1 to 5. Oh, because I guess it's the brush. You can push down and get a wider. That's what that's saying. And it's a 1 for this side. Yep. So it doesn't have the color. It does not. That's too bad. I was hoping it would have the color. Oh, there it is. Telling you right there. Fine tip, brush tip. Choking hazard. No. Water-based ink. Let me see. No smell whatsoever. All right, let's go on to another color. I'm going to guess this is silver, and it's not going to say. Well, I can see where the brush tip is because it's telling me. So let's do the same thing. Boy, this stuff flows heavy. Wow. I don't think it's going to be good for big areas. But I'm trying to hold this in place. This one actually, the smaller tip seems to go on a bit more even. See it? But if you want to paint the edge of something, this wider one would be more handy. I think we're going to show some edges here on a couple of Gunpla pieces. We'll do that. All right, let's keep going. Where's the brush side? Brush tip right here. Let's keep going. Whoa, that's gold. I guess that's a pretty yellow gold. Wow, that is intense yellow. But maybe it dries more gold. I don't know. You know, see, I like this standard size tip better. It's not pouring out as much paint. Oops, as the others. Where's the brush tip? There we go. I'm trying not to lean on this because I don't think it's dry yet. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this one in. All right. This is pushing a lot of silver inside the blue, and it's kind of highlighting itself over the blue. I'm not crazy about it, but it is kind of unique. All right, let's get this red, or whatever this is, peach color. That was peach color, right? Let's see what this is. I'm trying not to touch this here, so let's go. Oh, that's a nice color. Close to that one, but not quite. Let's get one more piece in here. There we go. Enough room to fit all these on. Cut a bunch of these strips already, so I'll put all of them on this, except for the spoon. I will duplicate one on the spoon so we can see how the clear goes on top. All right, let's get this last one, some kind of gunmetal here. Pretty nice looking. I don't think I'm going to lean over that, so let's flip this over and reproduce what we did in reverse. So let's go ahead and go right here. And then one quickie. It's gunmetal, or almost a metallic black. But it's boy, it's heavy. Yeah, much better in the smaller one. I'm thinking, like I said, that's going to be proper for the edges of a piece, which we'll go over now. All right, let's go ahead. Let's see if it'll go over. We use the silver. That'll show up good on the black here. We'll see how it goes over primer. Stop the same way. All right, and let's get the smaller end here. Yeah, it likes the primer. No problem at all. Went on it really nice, actually. Look at that. That is not a problem. All right, let's go ahead and try this. And then we're going to try to put some clear over them. All right. Trying to see one that... Now we'll try different colors. We'll try the blue because that was rough looking, I think, of all of them. All right, let's see how this goes. Oh, look at, I just realized at the end. And it just did it automatically because that's what we do. Muscle memory. All right, let's see. See this? That little edge. All right, we're going to hit that. Yeah, see? Look, it's much better on smaller bits. This has an edge right here. Let's see if we can go across it. Yeah, it doesn't look, it looks proper this way. So putting a big wave of it, but it's good to have this brush type tip just for that. All right, let's try a different color. I don't know which color. Let's try something different here. Let's go with this felt tip, brush tip. There we go. All right, let's go over the front edge on this. Foot, I'm guessing that's a foot right there. I can't see myself, guys, so I am working over the camera lens. Yeah, it really lends itself well to this. All right, check this out. So now we can go in now with a separate color. All right, let's grab one that's different here. And then we'll get the front piece here because it's divided. Yeah, beautiful. All right, so and I guess you let it dry. You can put some on top. You can dual layer it, but you can see the difference. It's not getting that flooding when you're laying the whole brush tip down. So yeah, not too bad. Not bad. I do like them. Now we're going to see. Hold on, let's get this camera back where it belongs here. All right, now we're going to see how it works with the clear. I'm going to show you what I got. I showed them in previous videos. There you go. So I put these on, it's got to be a week or two ago. I wanted them to dry to see if they can handle this clear. You know, they're pretty durable. I've been scratching them and kicking them against each other, and it's durable. It dries pretty hard. And this, I didn't touch this spoon, so this is pretty slick. So if it's going to chip off, it would have, and it didn't. So anyway, let's check this up. Let's go over to the booth. Let's see how it can handle the clear. All right, here we go. Shook up. Let's do it. We'll see if it can handle it. It looks like no reaction so far, which is a good sign. This went on kind of rough, so it feels smooth. But like I said, you get the brush strokes when you're putting in a wide swath of it, you know. But we want to see if it gets affected by a lacquer on top. I could tell right away probably is pretty good. It's not going to do anything. So let me let this dry a little bit. Head back to the bench and I'll show you all the colors. All right, back at the bench with all of them and the spoons, which I sprayed with some Super Clear from Mr. Hobby, a clear lacquer, and perfect. It went over it smooth. It did not affect it at all, so it can handle a lacquer top coat, which is pretty good. This is already hardened. I put it in the dehydrator for 10 minutes. Perfect. Look at that. So it didn't get affected at all, didn't bubble up, nothing. Now it's really on there. So there you go. So here is every color. Not that it would matter, but like I said, you're going to get every color in the set. Now, putting the, like I did, kind of defeats the purpose. It's, I guess they're not meant to be flooded on like that, but brushed on, sideways on, you know, raised bits and pieces, it looks great. And I imagine that's over primer. This is the silver. Now the silver looks pretty good. I imagine, lost my train of thought, but I want to show you guys something. All right, here is another panel. But yeah, I believe these are meant to go on, you know, not as heavy. And oh, I know what I wanted to do. I wanted to try it on cardboard. Let me get a piece of paper. I was sort of reaching behind me. I was trying to think of what I was reaching for, and that's what it was. Some cardboard. Oh, that's not cardboard. Here we go. So let's see how it goes on the cardboard. I imagine pretty nice. Yeah, so it actually absorbs into it pretty quickly too. You know, and I imagine being what these are, they're probably designed for, you know, for artist type stuff. So yeah, no problem there. It goes on the cardboard quite well. Let's get another one here. And I guess if you can use your technique of starting off light and then pressing in, you know, calligraphy is an art in and of itself, and you guys know, whoever out there can do that, you could probably achieve that style with using these. But yeah, she works good. All right, there you go, guys. That's the test. Pretty good. Good variety of colors. The white's actually pretty good. So if you want to highlight anything in white, you know, like I said, for highlighting, just go with the white, and that alone is pretty unique because that seems to cover pretty well. But yeah, there you go. All right, I will put up a link to where I got them. I got these on Amazon. I've saw them on social media, but I bought them on Amazon, so that's the link I will put up for you guys. I got some other chrome and gold chrome marker sets I'll be testing, and not as many of these colors, so those reviews will probably be closer to a 10-minute quickie review. That's what I'm trying to get at here. So we're going to cut out now. Check out my new colors. They're available now at Gundam Pros. This is my new Cobalt. Beautiful color. Look at that. Okinawa Ocean. Chocolate Steel. And Hanada Aqua Marine. Look at these colors. These are just beautiful. So there you go. Yep, these just showed up at Gundam Bros. So if you want to grab those, grab them while you can. I think it's only like 14 jars of each color came in. I get more right away, but they only shipped me 14 of each color. All right, guys, there you go. Tripping back to the 80s. All these bands I discovered in the 80s. Manowar, Fate's Warning, and Armored Saint. Armored Saints just came out with this album a couple months ago. So these guys are hanging in, you know, going all the way back to mid-80s. Showing my age. So there you go, guys. That's the test. All right. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel, like, and hit the notification bell as we do about a video a week. This week we did 2. So we will see you soon in the next video. God bless you all. Have a great day.